Now we are going to learn to introduce ourselves in German. I am super excited to teach you. I will read out the dialogue here on the right for you. Afterwards, we will analyze this dialogue, and you will be able to introduce yourself in German and to say where you come from. So let's go. I will read out for you. Guten Tag. Ich bin Frau Schiller. Ich bin Ihre Deutschlehrerin. Wie ist Ihr Name? Hallo, mein Name ist Cemgül. Und woher kommen Sie? Aus der Türkei. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Lena Borisova. Ich komme aus Russland. So, that's how it should sound like. Let's analyze the first phrase. Guten Tag, which means good day. Guten Tag. Ich bin Frau Schiller. Ich bin, I am. Ich bin. Frau, Miss or Mrs. Schiller. Ich bin Frau Schiller. I am Miss Schiller. Ich bin Ihre Deutschlehrerin. I am your German teacher. A long phrase. Let's repeat together. Ich bin Ihre Deutschlehrerin. Deutsch means German. Lehrerin means teacher, and this one is in the female form. But we will learn about it a little bit later. Wie ist Ihr Name? What's your name? But here we have to see. The phrase literally means how is your name? Wie means how. So what's your name in German would be how is your name? Wie ist Ihr Name? Hallo. Hello. Oh, this one is easy. Hello means hallo. Hallo. Mein Name ist Cemgül. This one is easy too. Mein Name ist, my name is. Once more, read with me. Hallo, mein Name ist Cemgül. Und woher kommen Sie? And where do you come from? This one is a little bit tricky, I think, because woher means where from. But in English, where from are two words. In German, it's one word. Woher? So let's read this question again together. Und woher kommen Sie? And where do you come from? Und woher kommen Sie? Aus der Türkei. From Turkey. So in German it would be from the Turkey, because a few countries do have articles. Aus der Türkei. From Turkey. Wie heißen Sie? So this one is really tricky because this question means what's your name, but the structure is really different because we do have a verb which is called heißen, and we can indicate names with that verb. Yeah. So wie heißen Sie If I try to translate it into English, it will be something like how do you call yourself or so, yeah? In English, maybe you would prefer to say, what's your name, yeah? But in German, you also can say, wie heißen Sie, yeah? And we really do use this kind of structure, so you need to memorize it, okay? Let's read the question once more together. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Lena Borisova. Here again, heißen occurs. Yeah? So if I try to translate here, it will be I call me or I call myself Lena Borisova. So let's read together once more. Ich heiße Lena Borisova. Ich komme aus Russland. I am from Russia. Ich komme aus Russland. I am from Russia. No political content here, it's just for learning German. So maybe we can read the whole dialogue together once more, yeah? Please read with me together. I will read a little bit faster, yeah? Let's go. Guten Tag. Ich bin Frau Schiller. Ich bin Ihre Deutschlehrerin. Wie ist Ihr Name? Hallo, mein Name ist Cemgül. Und woher kommen Sie? Aus der Türkei. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Lena Borisova. Ich komme aus Russland. Well done. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Dankeschön. Tschüss. Let's summarize the most important phrases we learned today. Today we learned how to introduce ourselves in German in the polite form. The first very important question was, wie ist Ihr Name? In English, what's your name? I will pronounce a little bit faster. Wie ist Ihr Name? And we can answer, mein Name ist. Mein Name ist. So, I will give you an example, speaking a little bit faster. Wie ist Ihr Name? Mein Name ist Janika. Now I ask you and you try to answer. Wie ist Ihr Name? I hope you said mein Name ist and your name, of course. Example giving, mein Name ist David. Question number 2. Wie heißen Sie? Again and a little bit faster. Wie heißen Sie? And we can answer, ich heiße. Ich heiße. I will give you one more example with my name. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Janika. Now I ask you again and please answer. Wie heißen Sie? I hope you said ich heiße and your name. Example giving, ich heiße Sarah. So that's it for today. Guys, you made it. That was your first German class. Thank you so much for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!